Maisley Hernandez gets us started off as Maisley is celebrating her first birthday. Maisley, I hope you have a wonderful time, kiddo. Her party commences in Oswego.
All right, and we've got Rogue Horton celebrating birthday number 3 this year. Somebody's getting messy, but that's okay. With love from Grandma and Grandpa.
Get your chocolate on right there, man. Hayes Harshaw celebrating a 3rd birthday as well. Big fan of Jordan Aubie, I would assume, with that sweater that he's got on right there, sporting the Canada logo.
Super cute.
Hayes, a very happy birthday in Avila.
All right, and we've got Sadie Eads celebrating birthday number 4 this year. Really? Are you sure you're not spoiled, Sadie?
That is a look of I'm up to no good.
Sadie, birthday wishes coming from Mimi, Granddaddy, David, and Elizabeth.
Is that the I promise I didn't do it look? Yes, I'd fall for that one too in the Harshaw family.
That's the look you can't say no to.
Absolutely. Alex Stipp celebrating his 8th birthday. Sharp dressed dude right there. Alex, happy birthday to you in Erie.
All right, and Mia Bloom.
Hey, we got a Bloom birthday.
All right, Mia is celebrating birthday number 11 this year in Frontenac.
Happy birthday, Miss Mia. Oh, they roll back to back, huh? If we got a Bloom, then we got an Arnett as well. That is Lenny Jewel right there. And you want to talk about marvelous kiddo and marvelous family as well. No surprise to see her sporting a medal out on the softball field. Lenny Jewel, know that we all love you, and I guarantee you I will probably run into you this weekend, kiddo. And a very happy 11th birthday to you.
You know, the photo bomb in there just shows the excitement from the scene that's set in that whole picture.
Lenny didn't break stride though.
No, it's
like
great. I love it.
It's my birthday.
Love it. All right, Kendall Crete, turning 20 years old this year. Looks like he's ready for work. And liberal, he will graduate from John Deere School at Fort Scott Community College. Congratulations to him.
That's cool. Congratulations, Kendall. That's great, man. Brenton Simpson celebrating a 23rd birthday. That's a neat looking picture right there. Brenton, he has a party in Iola.
Right, love from the entire family going out to Debbie Menzie, who's now double nickels in Iola, Kansas, turning 55. Hope you have a great one, Debbie.
John Mirando celebrating his 57th birthday. John, have a great one. He's in Frontenac.
And Pam Jacquino turning 71 years old this year in St. Paul, Kansas. Birthday wishes coming from your daughter, Cheryl.
Happy birthday, Miss Pam. Della French, she is celebrating her 81st birthday. Della, I want you to have a great day. Surrounded by family and friends there in Carthage.
And in Joplin, Ernest Bidwell. Having a fun birthday. Love the glasses there. Turning 83 years old this year. Happy birthday from your 8 grandkids, from your 8 kids, 25 grandkids, 14 great-grandkids, and 2 great-great-grandkids.
This next dude, that is Kenneth Probish, and he happens to be the cousin of our own Keith Probish.
All right.
So Kenneth, a very happy birthday to you. Do me a favor, do your best to keep Keith in line, as Kenneth celebrates number 84 in Columbus.
Looks like he's been doing some traveling there. I like that picture. All right, and Mr. Richard Beasley turning 84 years old this year. Looks like he's got some grandkids in tow there. Mr. Beasley is in Altoona, Kansas.
Charlie Epler, a happy birthday to Mr. Charlie. He's going to have his party in Columbus.
All right, and Carol Stone. Here she is here holding her new grandson. Oh, that would make me smile too, Miss Stone. Carol is in Crestline.
That's a good picture right there. Speaking of grandchildren, there is Ron Kissel, and that's 3 of his 4 grandchildren right there in his birthday picture. And so, Ron, I can see you're going to be a little bit busy on your birthday, my man. Happy birthday in Thayer.
All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Eileen Dixon turning 76 years old this year in Miami. Vera Hellwig celebrating a birthday in Columbus, and Judy Vinstra is 64 this year in Mound Valley.
I thought we'd get a picture from Miss being sure of that. Mm-hmm. Thought we would. Speaking of pictures and things, people I thought would send them in, Miss Patty done it. Happy birthday, Patty. She is celebrating in Columbus. Mallory Mathis, wishing you a happy birthday in Parsons. And this birthday wish also comes with love from Mom. And we've got an anniversary as Colby and Nicole Monty. They are celebrating their 5th anniversary in Hepler. So congratulations to Colby and Nicole. Here's where you can send them in.